So today we're putting up some string lights across here all the way from one end to the other. This is like the front porch or the front door area of our church. So let's get started. So here's my coworker today. Actually, we have another one, but I don't know. He's working on something else. So here's what we've got. We've got 4 cases. These are 100 feet. Each one is a strand, 100 foot. And we've got 4 boxes. We're thinking it's going to take 350 to 400 foot. So let me show you what's in the box. Here's what they are. They're the Bright Town. And we chose to go with the black wire. And in the box is the strand itself. Of course, you have to put the bulbs on. And I guess it's probably safer because of a shipping issue that you would have busted bulbs. You have 4 extra bulbs. You've got some instructions. And then in here are some boxes of bulbs, and you can see how they come packaged. So we have to put all these together, make sure they work. And then we are using these hangers that actually, we've got brick and wood that we're going into outside, and they're supposed to nail straight in through the brick or wood, you know, like so. And then you have the hook to be able to hook your strand around. So hope these pan out. We're gonna see how that goes. So we're using these hangers that are supposed to be for concrete, brick, things of that nature. So we tried in the brick and they were bending pretty easily. So we're in the mortar and they caught in the mortar good. So we hope they stay, but we got them all down through there. So just a lesson, if you're using these, they do go into that mortar just fine. And into wood, which we're gonna do on this side, but the brick, not so much. Maybe if your brick's different, I don't know, but they didn't go into these without bending. Now the only thing we're waiting on is darkness, and when it gets dark I'll show you that after I show you just a few things that we did here. Now remember, this is 4 strands of light total. Now each one of these, it's its own strand, so it's not like Christmas lights connecting to each other. So make sure you keep that in mind if you're doing more than 1 strand of these, and we'll put the link. We're not affiliated with them at all, but they do seem to be good lights. So remember, you're going to have 4 separate power sources, which we have up there, and it'll work out fine. Now, as far as what we chose to do as spacing is concerned, this is a 60-foot porch area that we wanted to light up anyway. And from here to here is 9 foot. We wanted a little dip in it, so we decided to do 10 foot each section. So that way that worked out, obviously 10 over, 10 back, and so on and so forth. That in mind, with 400 feet, what we did was we went every 3 feet with one of the hangers. We did 1 here, and then we came over here 1.5 feet, and then from that one we went 3 on every single one of them, and the same thing over here, 3 on each one of them. So then it staggers and alternates back and forth. Worked out pretty well. Wasn't exact, but it's pretty close. Pretty close is good in my book. Any excess, we just kind of tucked it up there, and it worked out great. So now just kind of waiting on it to get dark. Show you what it looks like. All right, it's nice and dark now, and love it. Man, it puts out a lot of light. So hopefully this helps inspire your next project. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.